and welcome back to my channel. I am Anastasia, the Oily Mommy, and here you get content all about oil tips and business tricks. And today we are talking about resources for your essential oils or for your essential oil business. So here are some of my favorites, and we are gonna talk a little bit about them and the kind of stuff that you can find from them. But if you want to get videos like this, if you want to make sure that you are following along on this journey, if you've just getting started with essential oils, or if you have been using essential oils and just want more help along your path, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also ring the bell so you'll get notifications. And if you enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. All right, so the first one up is going to be emotions and essential oils. This is a reference guide for emotional healing. Just a little blurb on this. I am currently do not have any affiliate links with any of these resources. I'm just telling you from my personal experience. Also, I use Doterra essential oils, so a lot of these resources are going to be geared towards them. That doesn't mean there's not other resources out there. These are just the ones that I use and that I find helpful. All right. So, emotions and essential oils. This one is amazing. It covers every oil individually, and then it covers oil blends like tangerine, gladness and creativity. Tangerine's strong qualities of joyfulness can lift the darkest of moods. It can assist those who feel cut off from the lightness of heart often manifested by children. Those who feel overburdened by responsibility would benefit from tangerine's uplifting vibrations. It encourages a person to be creative and spontaneous, and it goes on. It'll talk about negative emotions that addresses, positive properties, companion oils you can use, suggested uses, so using it aromatically or topically, applying 1 to 2 drops over the wrist or the heart or over the stomach. And this is just a great handy little guide if you are wanting to use oils for health and wellness, for mindset, and to also just support your emotions, because the average person goes through at least 60 different emotions in a day. It's a lot of emotions. All right, and you can find this at oillife.com. I might actually put a link below for these, so that way you can just click below and find all of that information. All right, next up, this one was a limited edition one, so it's actually not even available, but doTERRA will seasonally put out a blog style book. And this one I absolutely love. It's called The Natural You, and it has cute stickers in it for you to make up blends. And then it just has so many recipes. It has different ways you can use different oils, and it tells you diffuser recipes, and it tells you moisturizers, like self-care stuff, body polish, summer diffuser blends, fall, spring, winter diffuser blends. So it has an entire section just for diffuser blends. It has some yummy food recipes on there as well. So this is just a great one, like I said, kind of like a Pinterest in a book. And Pinterest is another place that you can find great resources. Type in essential oil blends or, essential oil roller bottle blends, and it will bring up for you on Pinterest some great recipes and blends that you can try out and use. But also, if you subscribe to my channel, you will also get great videos where I just walk you through and give you some of my tried and true recipes and blends for yourself, for kids, for empowerment, for helping improve motivation and study and all of that jazz. All right, next up is the Living Magazine. And this one comes out seasonally, all right? So for each season. And in here, this is a doTERRA magazine. You can get it for $1.50 off the website. And it has tutorials, it has recipes. Again, it's kind of like the smaller version of the book, Natural You, for each season, it will give you different recipes, diffuser recipes. It'll highlight some oils, it'll highlight people. This is a really fun one that's in the summer living magazine, and it's how to make a charcuterie board. Who doesn't love charcuterie boards? Like, my goodness. It walks you through wild orange syrup using wild orange. And then you could do an Italian board, an Italian bread dip. You could do a jazzed up marinara sauce. And it just has these beautiful pictures and very detailed, easy descriptions and recipes. So it's another great one, and it will change with every season that you have. So it's all made on recyclable material, which I also really like. And these are fun. I will even buy like the old ones just to get some ideas and try out some new things. All right, last but definitely not least is the Essential Life book. This book, I really wish that I could get some type of partnership with them, because I have been using essential oils for 8 years, and I have been doing this as a business for 7 years. And pretty much since day one, this was the resource that I started with. And I basically just went through and memorized everything I could about each individual oil. So this is kind of like, people refer to it as the oil Bible. It legit has everything in it, and it is not made or created by any specific oil company. It is independent scientists and doctors that are in this field that understand the chemistry, everything to do with oils, because essential oils aren't a new thing. They've been around since, well, the beginning of time. And people have been using them effectively for thousands of years. So this is just chock full of resources, but something that I really love about it is it breaks down each individual oil and blend. Here you'll have Intune, and it'll tell you all about it and how to use it and ways that you can mix it with other things and safety things with that oil and the ingredients within that oil, like where it's sourced, everything like that. And then it gives little tips. It also has an entire section on like DIY. So stress, weight, sleep, kids, pets, pregnancy, labor, delivery, parasites, inflammation, nervous system, men's health, women's health, intimacy. And it will walk you through it kind of like a WebMD. It'll tell you about it, and then it will tell you what historically the oils that have been used, the supplements, herbs, oils that have been used for that specific thing. So an absolutely amazing resource. Also, they have an entire cookbook in here, how to cook with essential oils. They have roller bottle recipes that you can make. I love roller bottle recipes. They have just tips, like tips and tricks. It's kind of like my channel, but in book form. So obviously it's really a lot more fun to just watch my channel. But if you're in a pinch, or if you just really want to learn about essential oils and their uses and how you can really make your home like a low tox environment and improve your health and support your body naturally, this is the way to go, and this is what I swear by. You can actually get this book on Amazon, so I am going to link that below, and actually I can do a link for that, so that's perfect. So the Essential Life book on Amazon, every year they update it, so you have the latest, the greatest, all the updates of what's going on. So everything that you'd want to know about essential oils, how to use them, how to bring them into your home, all of that jazz. Basically what I do on my channel right here in book form. But still, please follow my channel. Subscribe, like, all the things, ring the bell, share, comment below. But yes, do comment below if you have tried any of these resources. And when you do get them, please let me know, because they're absolutely amazing resources that are at your fingertips, and they are experts in their fields that can talk about this. And I feel very empowered with these resources, especially my Essential Life book. So Amazon link below, you can get it. They update it every year so that you have the best, the latest, the greatest. And that's all, folks. I think that is it. There you go. There's all your resources. Ooh, that I think are awesome for you to have and will help you along your journey. All right, my friends, thank you for tuning in. Make sure that you comment below with any questions that you have, or if you're able to get any of these resources, and hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, subscribe so that you will be able to follow along and get amazing tips and tricks about oils and business and just being a mama in today's day and age, and, you know, not keeping up with the Joneses. All right, until next time, remember, you just have to open the bottle.